Namaskar. I am Bhavani Swaminathan, founder of Akanksha Desire for Wellness. I am a nutritionist and a holistic wellness coach. Welcome to Health Talk channel. I have been coming up with a series of sattvic food, that is heal your emotions with food. So आज हम बात करते हैं कुछ दिवाली के बारे में, क्योंकि दिवाली बहुत नज़दीक है, दिवाली आ रही है. सो ऑल ऑफ अस वी हैव दैट एंथुजियाज्म टू सेलिब्रेट दिवाली. घर में छोटा बच्चा हो या बड़े हो, बुजुर्ग हो, ऑल आर एंथुजियास्टिक अबाउट दिवाली. बिकॉज पहली बात है, दिवाली में लॉट ऑफ स्वीट्स वी गेट टू ईट, डिफरेंट वराइटीज ऑफ स्वीट्स वी गेट टू ईट. Secondly, lot of new clothes like we wear. अभी वो टाइम का ज़माना नहीं रहा कि like during Diwali only you get, but now this scenario is different. Young people buy clothes on and off. Online shopping is there, but there was a time a decade ago where it was a fun going to the shop, buying clothes, and especially for Diwali. Apart from sweets and clothes, there one more aspect of Diwali, and that is cleaning. Yes, we all start cleaning our houses, 1 week before, 10 days before. There's a complete hustle bustle at the houses saying that Diwali aa rahi hai, chalo ghar ki safai karni hai, ghar ki safai karni hai. So houses are painted and then decorated, renovated, lot of things are done. और इस के बीच में जितना भी कचरा भरा रहता है घर पे, जो पिछले 1 साल से जमा है, वो पूरा कचरा हम निकाल के बाहर फेंक देते हैं. सो वेदर इट बी क्लोथ्स, द ओल्ड क्लोथ्स, और वट एवर इज लेफ्ट इन द किचन, यूटेंसिल्स, जितना कचरा, पेपर वेपर जो मिल रहा है, वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डिस्पोज इट ऑफ. either the clothes giving to some needy people. इस तरह से जितना हो सकता है, before Diwali we try to clean our house, and ultimately दिवाली के एक दिन पहले घर is like चकाचक, एकदम बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा. And we believe that goddess Lakshmi is going to come, so the house has to be clean, well decorated, with a lot of diyas एंड विद दैट हैप्पीनेस. कि ये सारी चीज़ें दिवाली के पहले हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, इतनी कोशिश करते हैं साफ सफाई का ध्यान रखना. नाउ one question I would like to ask you all, those who are watching this episode, like how much we think to keep our inner side clean, right? क्योंकि हम इतना सारा एक्सटर्नल देखते हैं, क्लीनिंग टेबल, क्लीनिंग अलमीरा, क्लीनिंग किचन, एवरीवेयर क्लीनिंग, फैन. What about the system which is there inside, the complete system, how we are going to clean it? So have you ever thought of this cleaning process? Yeah, there are people who think about this cleaning process, and this in modern age it is called as detox or detoxification. For this detoxification, we go out, we spend so much of money living in a resort, thinking that we are going to get some rest, we are going to be away from the kitchen for some time, and someone is going to cook and give food to us. So now this detoxification, or maybe we go to an ashram thinking that lot of peace and positivity we'll get. These are certain ways where you can detox your body and mind completely by staying in a resort, by going to an ashram. But then think how long you can stay in a resort and how long you can stay in an ashram. Maximum a week's time, because we have to get back to our jobs. Or maybe if you are free and if you're not on a job, if you're retired or something like that, you can go maximum to maximum, you can stay out for a month. I don't even think a month is a big duration, not more than 10 or 15 days. So we need to think very seriously about how we can detox our body and mind as well from time to time. Because if you have money, you can spend going out somewhere. But if you do not have money, that much money, or if you do not want to spend money, so there has to be some alternate solution for this. So in today's episode, I'm going to discuss a very inexpensive way to detox your body. Once your body starts getting that detoxification, into that detoxification program, automatically your mind also will start getting detoxified. So let me first tell you, since we are talking about sattvic food from day one, how sattvic food is going to help to detox the body and mind completely, let us understand now. So we have so many organs in our body. If you see, God has created all these organs in such a way that they are continuously working for us. We don't even realize that these organs are helping us. They are continuously, they are working for us. Unknowingly, we are giving so much trouble to every organ of our body. So when we talk about kidney plays a very important role in throwing out all the toxins. GI tract, that is the gastrointestinal tract, right from mouth to colon, like every organ is playing their own role. Same way lungs, in today's pandemic time, keeping lungs healthy is a big challenge. It's very very important. We should be keeping our lungs healthy. Lungs are always busy. Unlike the vacuum cleaners, we do not have any filters for our lungs. So lungs approximately breathes in and breathes out, say around 11,000 liters of air. Then liver plays a very important role in detoxification. Skin is equally important. So all these organs which are there, they play an important role in cleaning the system. But to clean the system, we have to put good fuel. Like running a good vehicle, you need to fill it up with a good fuel. Same way, to keep our body in that working condition, in a good condition, to maintain our body and sound mind, we have to start giving good fuel to our body, and this good fuel can be supplied only through consuming a sattvic diet. So I'll be just sharing few ways by which you can start cleaning your internal organs in different ways, and then after some days you just observe yourself that how much change you can see. There's going to be a lot of difference once you start doing these to start when you start including these things in your day-to-day life. So first, let me start with the cleansing of liver. So it's a very simple technique, it's a very tasty technique also, I would rather say, because everything is revolved around food only. So there are certain sattvic foods which are going to help you to clean your internal system. So to clean the liver, you need to take a handful of black raisins, which is called munakka in Hindi. So it cannot be recommended like 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon, because every person is unique. Every individual is unique. So there's a difference in height, weight, age. So taking into all these considerations, we cannot say that you should be taking 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon. The simple way is, you have to just observe, you have to take your palm like this, you have to add the black raisins and make a fist like this, जिसे हम हिंदी में मुट्ठी कहते हैं. इस मुट्ठी में, आपकी जो मुट्ठी है, इसमें जितना किशमिश आता है, मुनक्का आता है, उतना आपके लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. माई पाम इज बिग, सो मुझे ज़्यादा मुनक्का चाहिए. अगर आपके पाम छोटे हैं तो आपको कम चाहिए. So you have to just take one mutti full of munakka, that is black raisins. Just add it in a glass of in a bowl of water. Take a bowl of water, add this munakka to it, keep it overnight covered, and next morning take around 400 milliliter of water, add this munakka and water to the 400 ml of water and boil it for 10 minutes, and then let it cool. Do not cool it for a long time. It should be warm. You have to drink this warm, and you have to chew and eat that munakka early in the morning when you are empty stomach. So this is one way of cleaning your liver. Now let us talk about cleaning of gastrointestinal tract. So this is again, this you can do any time of the day. It's not that morning only you have to do. What you can do is just mix ajwain, that is carom seeds, we call it in English, we call it as carom seeds. Mix equal quantity of ajwain or carom seeds with jaggery, and you keep it in an airtight container. So in a day, 2 or 3 times a day, you can just have 1 teaspoonful and you can chew this. This is one way for cleaning the GI tract. Second way is you can take little bit, say half teaspoon of salt, that is dry ginger powder, add half teaspoon of honey to it, and you have to just take it as it is. You have to mix it and eat it. So this has to be done empty stomach. Now this was about the GI tract. Now the third one, skin. So for skin, we are doing so many things. We are consciously we are buying so many beauty products to take care of our skin, applying so many cosmetics, but the skin pores have to be very clean, and this cleaning can happen when you are applying coconut oil to it. So coconut oil has got lot of medicinal properties. They have got lot of benefits. So coconut oil can be applied over the skin, and then these are, I mean, these are very easy and simple ways I'm saying, where we can actually clean our body, because Diwali is coming. So anyways, we are going to clean our house very nicely. So it is our responsibility to keep our body and mind also clean, and this cleaning can happen through eating a good diet, that is providing a good fuel to our body, and that can happen only by eating sattvic food. So today I'll be taking you to my kitchen to show a recipe. It's again a very simple recipe. Right from day one, I'm telling you that let us keep our food as simple as possible. Then only our body will also bounce, our mind will also be charged up to do any work, because directly food is related to our body and mind, with our emotions too. So today I'm going to show you how to make a detoxification drink. This drink, if you consume this every day, you will find the difference automatically after some days, and you will definitely come back to me and say that this is the best thing which you have ever learnt in your life. So let me take you to my kitchen. For this detoxification drink, all you need is, I'm showing you, only these three ingredients are required: one cucumber, half lemon, and one orange. So we need to just chop all these and put it in the blender, add some water, and we have to strain and drink. I'll just show you. So cucumbers are very cooling, and for acidity and gastric problem, cucumbers are very good. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. So these are basically considered as sattvic food. So we are just going to have raw. In the first episode itself, I had told the importance of alkaline food. So this is basically an alkaline drink which is going to completely detox your body, and your body will be light. At the same time, your mind will also be relaxed and calm. So I'm just taking out uh, oranges also. So we just peel it off and cut it to remove the seeds. So there are no seeds in this. I can directly put it. So I'm just cutting it from like this. Now I'm adding one full orange and one full cucumber. my blender, and I'll add very little water, say half glass, because oranges and cucumber already water content is more in this. So I've added just less than half glass, and I'm going to blend it in my blender. So after blending, we get a liquid like this. So I'm going to strain this juice. You can have it with the pulp also. It has got a lot of fiber. It is much more good for health, for cleaning the system with pulp. But if you do not like the taste, so in that case you can just you can just take out, remove the pulp, and you can have this. So the pulp I have removed, and now I am going to pour it in a glass and squeeze half a lime. See, the detox drink is ready. This is so easy to make, which is going to clean the complete system. Try this out for 10 to 15 days and do give me your feedback.
Health Talks are daily health related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Health Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.